Morning. The university's academic staff union, University of Nairobi chapter, is deeply concerned and strongly condemns the new Public Service Commission circular of 2nd March 2026 and its addendum of 28th April 2026, which have lowered the retirement age for professors and academic staff in public universities. The new policy lowers the retirement age of professors from 74 years to 70 years, and that of senior lecturers and other academic staff from 74 years to 64 years and below. At the University of Nairobi, Kenya's oldest and leading university, this policy will trigger mass layoffs of academic staff with devastating consequences, including the possible elimination of entire academic disciplines and the collapse of the University of Nairobi pension scheme. Since 2020, the University of Nairobi has frozen employment as a cost containment measure due to severe underfunding. Since then, the university has not recruited a single lecturer to replace those living through retirement, resignation, death, or other forms of attrition. As a result, the university has already lost close to 40% of its academic staff. Today, the university has barely 60% of academic staff complement it had only a few years ago. If the revised retirement age is implemented, the university faces a wave of compulsory retirements that will reduce its remaining academic staff by a further 40%. Cumulatively, the university risks losing between 60 and cannot be overstated. The university's teaching, research, innovation, and community service mandates face collapse. The consequences extend far beyond the welfare of staff and staff numbers. Entire academic departments and specialized training programs face collapse because many depend on a very small number of senior academics who possess unique expertise, decades of experience, and internationally recognized research credentials. The greatest losers will be pension scheme is currently owed approximately Kenya shillings 11 billion shillings in outstanding pension contributions, and compelling large number of academic staff to retire simultaneously may deprive the scheme of the contributions it needs to remain financially sustainable and could ultimately lead to its collapse. The retiring academic staff will lose. The students will lose. Kenya itself will lose, weakening the university's capacity to train highly skilled professionals, directly undermine national development, education, healthcare, industrialization, scientific innovation, and Kenya's aspiration to become a first world nation. Professorship is unlike other careers in public service. Becoming a professor typically requires more than 30 years of academic development after undergraduate education. It demands postgraduate training, doctoral education, postdoctoral scholarship, sustained research and publication, mentorship of postgraduate students, international collaboration, distinguished service to society, and much more. Senior professors are custodians of institutional memory. They provide leadership in curriculum development, research, and postgraduate supervision. Their contribution becomes even more valuable with experience. As Professor Makau Mutua, the senior advisor on constitutional affairs to the President of Kenya, stated